What's up, neighbors? Welcome back to DIY Makes Sense. My name is Regina, and in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I cleared out my blocked air vent. Now, I already know somebody else is going through this same situation. I figured, why not make a video, and maybe I can help somebody else with their problem. I did it all by myself, didn't have to call a professional. Let's get into it. Now, I really need to see what's going on with this vent because when I say it's blocked, I mean there is zero airflow. So I figure, why not grab my phone, take a video, and see what the problem is. Yeah, this ain't working out. Let me try and take a picture. I swear, something is in here. Y'all see that? I need to zoom in. What in the world is that? Is that a sheet? Is that a curtain? Listen, whatever this is, it did not get there on accident. So I end up sticking my measuring tape down in the hole, and whatever this is, it's about 6 feet deep from the entrance. Now at this point, my confusion quickly turns into frustration and then determination. Cause whatever this is shoved up in this air duct, oh, it's coming out. No wonder I'm miserable up in this room. All I gotta do now is come up with a plan. Because of the position of this vent, I felt my only option was a metal hanger. It's flexible, and if I stretch 2 of them out and connect them together, it should reach this ball of fabric. Now, before I forget, how much would this have cost me had I hired an HVAC professional for this job? Well, I don't know exactly, but you better believe it would have cost me hundreds of dollars. Number one, the house visit, the visual inspection, a video inspection, not to mention the labor and all the time it would take to get this thing out the vent, all in the summer heat in a tight corner. Yeah, that definitely sounds like a few $100s worth of work to me. Wait a minute. Did I just hook this thing? After about an hour, I'm pulling and pulling and pulling, and oh my God, I did it. Now, you mean to tell me I've had a huge t-shirt lodged in my air vent this whole time? I definitely have my suspicions on who would do something like this, but I digress. Time to check the vent, hopefully for the last time. Thank God it's clear, because I'm so done with this. I ain't gonna lie, this right here was a challenge, but it was so worth it because the air is pumping out of this vent like never before. Now, like I said in the video, I already know this was done on purpose. This vent has been blocked ever since I moved in this house. You cannot tell me this was done by accident. The shirt balled up. Matter of fact, I need to get the shirt. Now, you cannot tell me this shirt right here wasn't balled up in the vent so tight and shoved in 6 feet on accident. Absolutely not. That was on purpose. You know that one bedroom in your house that's always too cold or too hot and don't nobody really like to go in there? Go check that vent. Put your phone on camera, stick it down in there, see what's going on in there. Oh, trust me, you'd be surprised what you'd find in that vent. You think I knew I was gonna find a shirt? Size extra large? I don't think so. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Happy New Year. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Rest in peace, take off. Bye-bye.